Hello guys and welcome to Thomas's Clicky Switch Compendium. For this video I've amassed as many switches as I could, including through several very generous donations, to give you a demonstration of different clicky switches and their sound. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take switches and click them in front of my camera, which has a decibel meter app installed on it called Audio Meter by GD Software. I'm going to film it while I'm doing it so that you can see how loud it is and what it sounds like. I've set the app to negate the period between the clicks so it appears as a flat orange line and its value is shown here. It's not the more prominent value on top here. You probably won't be able to read the small value because it's pretty small, but I'm going to put an annotation box here somewhere to show you the values of it, so make sure you switch annotations on. Mind you, this value is not an average of the clicks and the period in between, it's an average of the clicks only. Now I'm only going to show a few switches from each family as opposed to going through each and every clone as well, but I'll measure them and I'll put the results, which I can update from time to time if I get more switches, in the box as well. Note that decibel values like this are strongly dependent on what conditions you measure it at, so it's more of a relative scale than anything, and it measures only the clicker really. The sound of a whole switch bottoming out while mounted in a keyboard with a keycap on top of it is of course quite different, but I thought it would be interesting for you guys anyway. I hope you enjoy the video, and let's get clicking.